Alright, so here's the scenario. I come back from a long Christmas vacation. I try to log into my PlayStation network. It says no internet. I can't connect to YouTube or anything. What's this error? Okay, it pretends it wants to connect, but it's going to give me a connectivity error. Watch. See, it gives me this error says can't connect to the server. Please wait a few moments and try again. I've been dealing with this the whole day. I spent hours doing this. So what I'm going to do is go to the settings and network. I'm going to go in and change my internet connections. Alright, because let me show you. First of all, let me show you this quick testing network. So as you can see right here, internet connection failed. Can't connect to the server within the time limit. There might be a problem with connecting to the network. The PlayStation network. I see quite a few people are having this, so let me go ahead and show you how to set up or change internet connection. So I'm using a Wi-Fi, alright? And now I'm going to switch to custom. And then I'm going to choose my Wi-Fi network. Of course, you're going to have to enter your password for your Wi-Fi network. Okay. Now I'm going to choose automatic. Do not specify. DNS, I'm going to choose manual. Now I'm going to change the DNS primary to 8.8.8. Like that. And then I'm going to change the secondary to 8.8.4.4. Like that. Okay. Next. Choose automatic. Do not use. Test internet connection. Cross my fingers. Hope it works. So this is kind of weird. At least the internet connection is okay, but PlayStation Network sign failed. Sign failed. Connection speed is surprisingly low. So let's go ahead and check the status of the PlayStation Network. Cannot connect to the server. There might be a problem connecting to the network of PlayStation Network. That's the error code. Let's see what the suggested action is. They want you to restart the router. I mean, I've done that 6 times already. So the second method is also restarting the router. Okay, internet is back on. Alright, so it looks like method 2 gave me a better result, such as successful internet connection, successful PlayStation Network sign in, give me a higher download speed, and I actually have something for connection speed. Okay, so let me see if I'm connected. Yeah, it shows I'm connected right now, see? Alright, so let me now go to TV and videos, and hopefully I can access the YouTube app. Okay, let's go ahead, go to my YouTube app. Oh my goodness, what do you know? Now I can finally go play some music while I work out. And that's how you solve the internet connection issues on the PS4. Best of luck!